Hi, I'm David Partika, and I created CSS Burner as a rapid optimization tool for CSS. I'd like to go over some shortcuts with you today on using CSS Burner to make your workflow a little bit more streamlined. So the first thing that I'd like to show you is quick shortcuts to the nav icons on the top. And so you can press Control and then the number that corresponds to whichever icon you're at to get to that icon. So instead of having to navigate to the icon, let's say you want to change your settings, and that's currently that's the 7th icon. So Control, so I'm going to take the mouse off just to show you. Control 7 quickly opens up the user settings. Let's say you want to go to sample, that would be the 6th one, Control 6. And so on. So the next shortcut that I want to show you is with scan itself. So I'll press Control 1 to get to scan. And when entering a URL for a DOM scanning, if you have URLs that are already saved, so you've already used them for scanning DOM, they'll populate as soon as you focus on the input. You'll get a list of whatever URLs that you've already chosen before and have been saved. So we can do that as well, but what I'm going to do now is I'm going to actually just scan a sample and show you the next shortcuts. Okay, so we get a scan. And so a couple more shortcuts that I can show you. One is, let's say that you don't like the size of the font, so it's a little too small for you. You could press Control plus to quickly increase the size, or Control minus if it's too large. Okay, so that is quickly increasing and decreasing the font size. Another trick, it's similar to that, is if you have a touch screen or a mobile device, you can use pinch zoom. So I'm going to, I know you can't see it, but I'm going to put my 2 fingers on the screen and I'm going to enlarge the text size with the pinch zoom. And now decrease with my 2 fingers. Okay, so a little too small. All right, now if you highlight, the next shortcut is if you highlight a set of errors or anything that's an indicator, then you can, instead of going all the way to the and clicking the search icon, if you just want to quickly search whatever is highlighted, you can drag that directly into the search icon, and now the item and every other similar or identical item will be highlighted in the search color. And now finally, when you're done, if you want to just quickly reset and go back to the home screen, then if you have a touch screen or mobile device, what you can do is swipe right. So I'm going to now swipe right, and you'll see that the mouse is in the center of the screen. It's nowhere near the reset button. I'm going to swipe right, and we're now back to the home screen and everything reset. So these are some shortcuts that I think you'll find useful once you get the hang of using CSS Burner and you just want to do everything more quickly. Try these shortcuts and it will make your life faster, especially if you're a web developer and you need to do things as quickly as possible. Time is of the essence. So if you found this to be a useful video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you have not subscribed to the Optimized CSS channel, please do so, and look for some more help tutorials and strategy videos in the near future.